Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to upload your first Flipgrid video. This will be nice because you can actually look back on this video as we do other Flipgrid assignments in the future as well. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get to Google Classroom because I will always post your Flipgrid assignments on your Google Classroom page. So you can either search Classroom in the Google bar right here, or I like to do it this way. You go to the waffle up in the upper right hand corner of your screen, click it, and then just go to Classroom and it'll take you right there. Okay, and then you're going to want to open your Classroom page, whichever one it is for you. I'm just going to open my period 1 English Classroom, and then you will see the assignment on the stream, or you can go to classwork and then your assignment will be posted there. Okay, so we're going to click the Flipgrid assignment. And you're going to just open the link that I have attached to the assignment on Google Classroom. So go ahead and open that. It'll take you to Flipgrid. Now this is very important. You're going to want to log in with Google, and you can hit remember me so that it'll automatically log you in the future. So just log in with Google, and if you have multiple accounts, make sure that you use your OG Nights account. So we're going to log in with our OG Nights account, and it'll take you right to our Flipgrid page. Okay, so you're going to see it'll automatically take you to the assignment page. So this one was the introduction assignment, and all of the instructions for that are going to be located right here. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that anytime you go to an assignment, you're reading the instructions carefully, knowing what you have to do. So for this video, I need to introduce myself, share my favorite school subject, and then share a fun fact about myself. You can see all of the videos that you guys post will pull up right here. I've already posted one to kind of give you an idea of what your video should look like. But for this video, we're going to create a new one so you guys can see how to do that. So to create a new Flipgrid, you're going to click the big green plus button. Can't miss it, right? So you click that and it'll open up this screen, and now you can see me talking at you. Hi. So in order to record a video, and it'll tell you how long you have to record your video right here, you just need to hit this button that looks like a recording button, because it is a recording button. Okay, so you hit it, it'll count it down for you, and then I talk, blah, 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 blah. It's recording me and everything I'm saying, and I should be talking about the assignment. So hi, my name is Miss Fuller. My favorite subject is English. A fun fact about me is I have a dog named Dee Dee. Okay, now obviously I want you guys to say more than that, but when you're done, you hit the pause button, okay, and then you can click this next to go on to the next portion of uploading your video to Flipgrid. So when you hit the next button, it'll play your video back to you, okay, and then you can actually trim your video. Oh, sorry about that. You can actually trim your video. You can delete it or delete a segment of it if you don't like it. So you guys can kind of spend some time playing around with that, but when you're happy, hit confirm, and then you go to the next video. And then this is where you're going to take a selfie. Make sure you're in the box, right? Okay, so there's my selfie. And these cool tabs over here, you guys can add like different emojis to your selfie picture. It's got like, if you click down here, you can add like hats and accessories to yourself. So if you want to wear like some super cool sunglasses, like I could put those on myself to cover up my crazy glasses. Right? So you guys can just do it up however you want. You can draw on it. So if you want to draw like a heart or a smiley face or whatnot, what have you. Okay, so have fun with your selfie picture. Definitely bring out your personality in it because I love doing up my selfie picture. It's a lot of fun. Okay, once you're satisfied with your selfie picture, it's basically going to be like the cover photo for your Flipgrid. Then you'll just hit this next button. Okay, and then you're going to want to choose your display name, okay, and please just put your first and last name. Don't put any silly nicknames because obviously I'll know who you are and that'll annoy me. So just put your first and last name. So I would put Natasha Fuller. You can title your Flipgrid if you want, like Meet Me or Introduction or whatever you want. We don't need to do a link. And then you just hit Submit My Video, okay, and when you do that, you hit complete and you should see your video pop up here on the page with everybody else's videos. And then once you've done that, you can go through and you can watch your classmates' videos and get to know them a little bit, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's all you have to do to complete your Flipgrid assignment. If you guys have any questions, please just make sure that you shoot me an email or come see me before school. I can't wait to watch your videos. Bye!